Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about internet computer. If you're enjoying these updates, smash that like button and hit that red subscribe button if you have not done so already. But let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the markets, guys, and again, if you are a regular viewer on this channel, you guys know exactly what's happening across the board. Today was a very historic day actually, because of course we did see a rate cut finally announced by the Federal Reserve for the first time in 4 years. That is a big thing. And a lot of people were anticipating it, and a lot of people were also expecting that the crypto market was going to have a little bit of a positive impact due to that, and that's exactly what you're seeing going into obviously Thursday morning. But let me know down below what you guys think about this. Looking at internet computer right now, you can see internet computer is up 5.3%. But actually, let's zoom in and take a little bit of a closer look and see what really is happening on the shorter time scale. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So $8.28 is the price of internet computer right now, up 5.4% over the past 24 hours as mentioned in USD, and also up about 2.6% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap is approaching that $4 billion right now. We are obviously below it, but $3.9 billion is the exact market valuation as of now. The 24-hour trading volume is at about 140 million. So as far as the price goes, not looking bad as you might think. But when we pull out the charts, we can take a little bit of a closer look. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. And I apologize if I said that 2 times. I always got to make sure. But looking at the dominance right now, so we know what happened with the dominance. Dominance actually shot up towards a new yearly high towards 58.6%, exactly what we have been discussing. If you've been watching my videos pretty much from August 1st all the way till now, this is something we've been discussing, that this could end up happening, and that actually did end up happening. And you're looking at the dominance index seeing a little bit of a pullback, which is causing some of these coins to actually go up quite a bit. Some coins up double digits. So, we're feeling some love across the board for some of these altcoins, but I think it's still a little too early to get excited in terms of a broader meme coin. I'm sorry, not a meme coin, in a broader altcoin season. As far as Bitcoin goes, you guys can see Bitcoin did make its way back above $62,000, something we haven't seen since August 26th. And obviously, again, shouldn't really be a big surprise. We did see that initial shakeout after the Feds announced it. The market picked up quite fast, and I wouldn't be surprised if we start heading towards these August highs and potentially even break and start heading towards the July highs that we saw at $70,000. Would not come as a surprise to me at all. Looking at internet computer, on the other hand, obviously, it had been quiet over the course of the last, I would say, 48 hours to be specific. We did see that wick down to that 765 as we discussed. If you picked it up at that price point, you are up right now about 10%. So obviously some people are going to come out and say that's barely anything, but at the end of the day, 10% is 10%, right? It's better than zero. So to all the trolls that are going to come out and say no, it's nothing, I hope 10% is better than zero. But still from the low on July, you're pretty much seeing a higher high and higher low occurring. You could see. And from, if you're basing it off of just this wick, and of course you can come out and make this statement on the August 24th high and say this got invalidated, but I cannot ignore that the price is in this upwards trajectory regardless. Right now, obviously, we're having a little bit of a hard time breaking out. There's no secret about that. We need to understand what's really happening with the Bitcoin dominance, number one, and what kind of importance the Bitcoin dominance has on the broader market. That cannot be ignored. But internet computer right now does have some key resistance that it has coming for itself around the $8.50 roughly. And we have retested some of this key resistance over the course of the last few days, and obviously you can really test how important this key resistance really is. We're not having that breakout, but the volume did increase, and again, that is an organic growth. But you want to see that breakout happening from this key resistance. If it's able to do this time around, I am very confident we do see a $9.79 key resistance being retested pretty much for the first time since July, and that is going to be a big thing in my opinion. But right now we want to be paying very close attention to Bitcoin as to what Bitcoin does, as well as the dominance index. Let me know down below what you guys think, and if you want to see more of these ICP updates, of course, let me know. Love each and every one of you guys. Cannot thank you enough for all the support that you guys show. We'll see you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.